Never run out of battery again for any of your devices. Introducing Easy Power, a portable 27,000 mAh TSA and FAA approved wireless charging device. With a removable credit card sized charging kit and 10 magnetic heads so you can easily charge any device anytime. Fast charge your devices within 30 minutes from zero battery with our super fast charging. Wireless charging means you can charge up to 5 devices at one time. Say goodbye to messy wires with super simple magnetic cables that are snap-free, tangle-free, and strong enough to sustain the weight of a tablet. 2 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB normal, a stand so you can still carry on watching your favorite movies. Charge all your devices, including Apple, Nintendo Switch, and any USB Type-C laptop or tablet. You'll never be short of power again. Made of beautiful aluminum, this is the charging device reimagined. A charging device that's got sex appeal and will put others to shame. If the power bank runs out of juice, all it needs is 1 hour for it to be fully juiced up again. Easy Power is more than a power bank. It's the all-in-one solution when you're on the road or in the air. Easy Power's memory reader, storage space for your SIM cards, phone cradle, ambient light, and much more. You'll wonder how you ever survived without it. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to that flashing red battery sign. Grab your Easy Power Pack today.